Banana flower?
Yes.
Not yet.
Kit,
Yeah.
Kit, kuha akong bakes to be.
This is a preparation.
For banana flour?
Water and yes, and
Bakes na ko lang siya.
Oh, you use some squash.
Yes.
Oh, some calabaza.
Yes, calabaza.
Calabaza. Banana flour. Yes.
You have to cook. Then after.
All this part you don't use?
Yeah. No, not.
No, not this, right? Only the center part.
on that one.
Very nice. So you cook the banana flour with calabaza, onion.
First is calabaza to
What?
start to boil.
Ginger? Ginger?
Yeah, yes, already.
Ginger?
Ginger and onion.
Onion? No garlic? No garlic.
No, garlic is there.
Also garlic,
And
onion,
garlic,
ginger,
ginger.
banana flour, water,
Water.
oil. Any oil?
First is the mix to.
No oil?
No oil.
No oil.
No oil.
Okay.
But next is this.
Oh,
Flour.
ampalaya. Yes. Oh, finally Kim is watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice one. Mom,
And,
Kim is watching.
you must, you see that the squash is already
Cool.
cooked.
Okay,
Yeah.
very nice.
That's why I
Basura.
Basura? Okay.
you have
No need.
to mix and then mix it together.
Very nice. Because Kim asked me what we are cooking.
Yeah.
And I said we are cooking banana flour salad.
Is this your first time to see?
Yeah, first time to see this part.
But no, I
The ampalaya
yeah.
you put in the salad.
Yeah, that different meal.
Oh, that's another dish.
Not this.
Okay.
This is for one only minute.
The rice, black and white rice together. Yeah, black and white rice.
Yes.
Black rice from Davao and white rice from BORACAY. Nice one. Kit kit. Oh my God. My friend from Canada, she's watching also.
Yes.
What can you see? Can you see anything from my t-shirt?
Only BORACAY.
Only that? More? More bingo? Oh, banana. Nice. How many people are watching? Two?
One, no.
Oh,
Only Kim.
Kim. Okay.
Hello, guys. This is our hotel.
These are so really nice. Nice.
Monkey.
Yeah, little monkey. Monkey food. I'm not cooking, actually. I'm just helping cook. So, should I go outside? The sunshine? How many? Kim said very delicious. Upstairs.